Have you heard people talking about sales funnels, online marketing, and ClickFunnels, but you're still wondering what ClickFunnels actually is and whether it's worth using? In this video, I'll explain what ClickFunnels is, how the ClickFunnels editor works, the main features of the platform, and its pricing. And if you want to try it yourself, the link is in the video description, and it comes with a free trial. So what is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is an all-in-one online platform designed to help businesses create sales funnels, landing pages, and online marketing systems without needing advanced coding skills. Instead of hiring developers or building complicated websites manually, ClickFunnels gives you tools to create complete marketing funnels in one place. People use ClickFunnels for selling products, generating leads, promoting webinars, building email lists, selling online courses, affiliate marketing, coaching businesses. A sales funnel is basically a step-by-step process that guides visitors toward taking action. For example, someone clicks your ad, visits a landing page, enters their email, sees your offer, and eventually buys your product or service. That entire process can be built inside ClickFunnels. Now let's talk about one of the biggest features, the ClickFunnels editor. The ClickFunnels editor is a drag-and-drop page builder that allows users to create funnels visually. You can add headlines, images, videos, buttons, forms, checkout sections, countdown timers, and much more without needing to write code. This makes the platform beginner-friendly, especially for people starting online businesses. The editor also comes with ready-made templates. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can choose templates for e-commerce, lead generation, webinars, coaching, membership sites, digital products, and customize them to fit your brand. Another useful feature is mobile optimization. Your pages can automatically adapt to phones and tablets, which is important because most internet traffic now comes from mobile devices. ClickFunnels also includes email automation features that help businesses follow up with leads and customers automatically. This can help improve conversions and save time. Now let's talk about pricing. At the time of this video, the ClickFunnels launch pricing starts at around $81 per month. Pricing and features may change over time, so always check the official website for the latest details. The platform is designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, coaches, agencies, and online business owners who want an all-in-one funnel solution. Some of the biggest advantages of ClickFunnels include beginner-friendly tools, fast setup, funnel templates, marketing automation, and integrated sales systems. Of course, like any platform, there are also some downsides. The monthly cost may feel expensive for complete beginners, and advanced funnel strategies can take time to learn. But overall, many online businesses use ClickFunnels because it simplifies the process of building funnels and selling online. If you want to test ClickFunnels yourself, check the link in the video description. The free trial lets you explore the platform and see whether it fits your business goals before committing to a paid plan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more videos about online business, affiliate marketing, digital tools, and entrepreneurship.